Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to share with you guys how to make some really quick and easy face masks. These are items that I picked up right here from the Dollar Tree. This is the first one that I'm getting ready to show how to make. I am Jeanette, aka Saraya, and before I get started, I always like to give glory, honor, and praise to the Most High Yah. So here we go, guys. Here's the first one we're going to make. And I'm getting ready to share with you guys the items that I use to create this quick and easy mask. I went right to my local Dollar Tree and I bought a t-shirts. They do have t-shirts at the Dollar Tree. These are 100% all cotton. I picked up some of these ribbons right here. This is the Southwest Llama ribbon. And you get about 9 feet of it, Dollar Tree. And I also picked up some Dollar Tree elastics. You get about 15 of these right here. So let's go ahead and get started in making this one first. And then I'm going to show you how to make it using the elastic band. No sewing, quick, easy, and fun. Let's get started. All right, guys. So if you have a nice pair of scissors, here's the t-shirt and here's the arm part of the t-shirt. I want you to just cut the arm part right on out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I have the arm part of my t-shirt. Now I'm just going to cut a nice long piece because we're going to be tying this in the back of our head. So you can cut about as much as you need to fit around your head or whoever head you are making it for. So once you get your long strip, just get another piece and match that size up. So I'm just going to match that size right on up. Let's just cut that because that's going to take all of it. Now what you're going to do with these pieces right here, you're just going to take your work and just slide it through one side of it. All right, I got it through one side. You see how I got that on that side there? And then I'm just going to take my second long ribbon. I'm just going to put it on the opposite side. So I got it right there. You see how that's looking? Now all I need to do is just tie these two around my head. And I'm going to tie these two pieces around my head. And once you tie it, your work is going to look like this. All right, I'm going to get another mannequin so I can tie it around her head. Okay, guys, so when you cut this part out, you got your sleeve of your t-shirt. It should look like this. All you need to do is that unevenness, just fold it down a little bit, place it on your face. Grab this right here, grab this right here. And tie it, and you can tie it up right in the back. So there you have your first face mask without using any stitch. Okay, so let's go on to the second one. All right, guys, so here go the next one. We got our two little elastic right here. And now we're getting ready to use our trusty little glue gun. So we're gonna finish cutting up this t-shirt right here. We're gonna put as much use as we can using the t-shirt. So with the t-shirt, I just want you cut along a piece right here. You're just gonna cut it straight across. So let's go ahead and do that. That can be about, you can size it up. I'll leave all the correct measurements in the description box below. But I'm just going straight across this t-shirt. Just like this. And once I cut that piece off, I'm just going to turn my t-shirt, and I just need half of this work right here. So I'm just going to cut half of it off. So I just have this piece right here. I'm just going to turn the shirt on the opposite side, just like this, the wrong side in. And I'm just going to take my elastic and I'm just going to bring it up on half of the shirt. Just like this. I'm going to bring the other one and do the same thing. So now I have both of my elastics up here. And now I'm just going to hot glue this part together. So again, this is wrong side. You got it on the wrong side. So I'm just going to put some glue right here. So let's do that. Run it straight across. Be careful because this glue is pretty hot. And then I'm just going to take the other side of it and I'm just going to put them together. And again, be very careful because the glue does get hot. And let's lay that flat down and mash it together because we want to get it glued together. All right, so I'll wait 1 second. It glues up really fast. So now that I got these two pieces together, I'm gonna turn it back right side to the right side, just like this. And then I'm gonna take one piece, one of the ribbons, and pull down to one side. And then I have this ribbon on the opposite side. Let me just straighten it up just a little bit more. Making sure that you got the right size, only the right size showing. And once I do that, I have me another nice mask. Let me show you how that looks on. Hold on. All right, guys, so here you have it. I have my elastic on this side. I have it on that side, glued up on the opposite side. And just now you can put on your mask. I'm sorry. And there you have it. And there you have it. 2 quick, easy ways to make you some face masks. This is a disclaimer. These are not CDC or whatever acronym you need to use approval, but these are just some quick, fun, easy masks. You could definitely add some filters in here. You can double it up to make yourself even more protected when you're going out. So it's many things you can do. Get beautiful different color t-shirts, have fun with it, no sewing, just either some ribbons or some elastics, and make yourself some fun, easy masks for you, your friends, and your whole family. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial, please share this video. Also, subscribe if you have not. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let's get protected, y'all. All items can be purchased right from your local Dollar Tree. All right, and you can make many of these using one t-shirt. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next video, always remember, y'all, Psalm 68:4 in your King James Version. Always keep your life and your health in check. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.